Peggy 18.
Anything like this in 20 years.
Storms return to the southeast this afternoon.
Flooded coastlines means thousands of displaced residents, farmers, businesses.
We are at war.
We wanted a perfect future. And fuck, we got it. I wanted to be a killing machine, and they made me one.
One of the perks of being Black Ops is having access to the latest in experimental weaponry.
You've got a new bit of hardware inside your head. It's called a direct neural interface.
Your mind truly is your greatest weapon.
My brothers have gone dark, but nobody knows just how far.
Holy shit. I don't think these people volunteered.
I've got to chase the chaos as deep as it goes.
The last reported operation at this station was John Taylor's team.
The people who did this are traitors. They're going to continue to help the enemy. We need to fight back.
But when I look at the hard truth, I may not want to come back.
When people really want to bury secrets, they tend to bury bodies right along with them.
You think Taylor's team killed our people? I don't know how much of the real Taylor is left.
Please don't. You don't know what this will do.
I can feel it taking over. Not even my mind is safe.
You still in there, John? Do you hear me?
You don't understand. I'm taking us home.